The Royal Botanical Gardens Winter Wonders opens this evening. Jeremy Freiburger from the RBG joins us with more. And I was at the RBG earlier this week, just on a personal thing, and I saw them setting up the lights across the street from the RBG Center, and I'm like, I'm used to this being at the Rock Garden.
Oh, sure.
But it's not anymore.
No, yeah, we're over in Hendrie. I think it's the second or third year that it's over in Hendrie.
Okay.
And I mean, Hendrie's this sort of signature garden across from the main center on Plains Road. And it just offers us a much wider landscape to play with and really accessible spaces, pathways everywhere. So it gives us more real estate to play with, to show off the gardens and bring in some cool stuff for people to enjoy.
And with you being there, you've brought with your new role, you've brought a new real arts and culture aspect to this. So what little magic spots can we expect?
Sure. Yeah, it's been really fun bringing some more arts and culture stuff into the mix at the RBG. So we've got lights all over the place. They've got live music going on throughout the night at Winter Wonders, which is always great. Local musicians in from all over the region. But we've got a handful of art installations this year. So we've got some pieces from Asley Allen. Some folks remember her from Design TO or from Nuit Blanche. These sort of like glowing crystal shapes that are in the rose domes. We've got Tanya Hart bringing in 2 pieces. We have an interactive piece called Tree Love, where you can go up and hug a tree, and then as soon as you hug it, it sets lights off into the branches.
Oh, cool.
So it's all interactive. Yeah, and it's getting people to be close with nature. So lots of really amazing pieces like that. And then, Soundbox comes in and has light displays all over the place. And this is the first year that we're piloting an artisan market. So we've got these little cottages that we have for other uses at the RBG. We've gathered all those together and have local vendors like the Jelly Brothers or Lisa Pichwan Nomura, Rob Rayside Glass, ceramic artists, soap makers, candle makers, all sorts of stuff. Different vendors each week, so you can come back and see something new, do some holiday shopping. So it's getting those local artists into the mix as well, which has been really fun to do.
And that's over at the Hendrie Gardens as well?
That is, yeah.
Okay, and then inside the RBG Center, you've got the train display.
Yeah, that's one of the things I really love about Winter Wonders is no matter what the winter weather throws at you, we've got something to offer. So inside, the horticultural team with Kathleen and her team have done from the front door right back through to the Mediterranean garden. Crazy.
It looks and smells amazing. I saw them that was like a flurry of activity on Tuesday with everybody setting stuff up.
Yeah. So like the Breezeway garden looks beautiful. The Mediterranean garden is great. And then we've got the holiday train, which is just like an annual classic, all filled with landmarks from across Canada, and kids get mesmerized by the train. So do older folks. We have other events that have gone on while we've been setting up the train, and even when it's just being set up, people just stand there and watch and take it in. So it's a really, really great opportunity to come and see thousands and thousands of different kinds of plants in the indoor gardens, as well as that outdoor experience to get you out into the snowy night and enjoying.
And it goes on rain or shine or snow or wind.
Yeah, and this weekend, you never know.
Yes,
So because we've got the indoor and the outdoor, you can hop in and out and don't have to feel like you need to spend all your time outside or all your time inside. So even if the weather's a little dodgy or if it's snowing a lot, you can bounce in and out and warm up when you need to. So
okay, you do need to get timed entry tickets though, but you can stay as long as you want.
That's right. So from 5:30 to 10, we're open and you can get tickets. Everything it's on the half hour, and all that does is tells you when to show up, so you're not standing in a lineup of everyone that's showing up for the night. But then once you're there, you can spend the whole night enjoying food and drinks and wandering about.
Okay, I'm just so excited about this. I'm so glad we had you on the show because, I've got to go back and see it because it's bigger and better than ever.
Absolutely. Yeah, it's going to be a really fun time.
Okay, best to buy tickets before you show up?
I would buy them online. Some nights do sell out, especially those Friday and Saturday nights, and then certain time slots start to sell out if you're trying to get the kids in early or you want to hang out late. So hop on and buy them online, rbg.ca. You can pick your time slot, and that guarantees you that when you're showing up, you've got easy access.
Okay, we got about 30 seconds left. It starts tonight. When does it go till?
Until January 4th. We're only off for a couple of days over the Christmas and New Year's days, but otherwise Thursday through Sunday right through to January 4th.
Okay, good luck, and I will see you on the trail somewhere on the Winter Wonders. Jeremy, thanks so much.
Annette.
We'll get the link up to our website at chch.com/morninglive. Winter Wonders at RBG starts tonight.